What's going on? It's your boy Tay Trades, man, and I'm back with another video. And without further ado, we just gonna get straight into it, right? So I just want to show you guys this trade that I have on Aussie CAD. I'm currently in Aussie CAD sales. And I'm just gonna break down why I am bearish on Aussie CAD. And yeah, so just analyze the charts, right? Show you guys why I'm in my sale and where I'm looking to take profit, etc. All right, so if we look at the weekly look at the weekly time frame here, right? Price has been bearish. We had this long downtrend, and then we got these relatively equal lows here, right? And since then, we've pushed up, kind of taking out buy side on that higher time frame, taking out some of these old highs here. Now, more importantly, I want you to see this last current week, right? So last week, after we had the push up, right? Last week, or the week before last, we opened up here, we moved lower, and we closed here. And then last week, price opened up, ran this high here, and then closed below last week's low, or the week before last low, closed here. So that's telling me that this was a liquidity grab, and we were strong enough to close below the previous week's low on top of that, right? So that's a very big bearish tendency for me to look at price action and to see that. So, and given that also the week is still going, of course, this week, right, price opened here, and we made relatively equal lows to last week's low here, and then we pushed all the way up, and now we are currently uh, moving down, right? So we can possibly see the rest of this week. By the end of this week, we take out these lows. So that's where I'm looking for price to head to, right? So let's go down to the daily time frame. All right, so the same thing can be said for the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame, right? Price ran the high, move lower, ran out this low, move lower. We had the pullback. Price ran these highs here, and then every high before then has been failing to run this high. And then we had this on this daily candlestick. We had price once again trade all the way down, failed to take out the low and closed up. Right, so kind of making those relatively equal lows also on the daily time frame. It's the same thing, right? So now, like I said, like I showed you guys the weekly, um, given that we were able to close below after running this high and closing below that weekly's low before pulling back, now I am looking for Aussie to continue to fall to the Canadian dollar, right? And taking out these lows here, which we have what sell side liquidity residing below. So the objective is to see price now run sell side liquidity. Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, it's the same thing. Price, like I said, made the same lows, pushed up, and we had this fair value gap right here that price has now traded into. Now, price traded into this fair value gap, right? We made a high here. What did price do? We have run this high, right? Price traded into that gap. We move lower. You got a sell side here, but we ran this high here, and then now we're looking to hopefully, we got 4 minutes left. We might not close below this low, and I'm fine with that, right? But now we're filled in the gap, ran by side liquidity, and now we're reversing. So let's go down to the 1 hour. Same catalyst, 1 hour. See the 1 hour? When it ran this high, failed to close above this high. Now we're moving lower, runs this low. We still got about an hour left. Right now, this candlestick is price 15, running into this 15-minute time frame, this 15-minute fair value gap, where I took my entry at, right? So price made the low, failed to close above. We had a 15-minute gap. That's what I'm looking for price to tap into before moving lower, right? So same thing, right? Price ran this high. Now we're looking to move lower. We took out this low, fell in the close above, close below. Sorry about that. A couple of mishaps. Um, but yeah, now it's currently pushing up, and we're trading into that 15-minute fair value gap, which I'm about to show you guys in a few seconds. So here we go. All right, same thing, same candlest, same price action, right? Just on a smaller time frame. Price failed above, hit this big wick, boom. Now we're moving lower, fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, taking out the low. It would have been better if we closed below that low, but we didn't. But that's okay, right? And now we are currently tapping into this fair value gap, which I have taken my entry. I have my stop loss above here, and I am looking to take profit at this low here, and I might take some partials, depending on by the time I go to sleep if we're here. Take some partials here, and probably take the rest of it here just to lock in some profits. But this is where I'm looking to take profit here. I don't want to see price. I mean, I do think that price will take out these lows here, but I want to get out. I don't want to catch that whole move. I want to catch majority of the move. Like I said, partials will be here, but I want to just take it to this low here, and that's my full trade for the week basically. And this is my only trade for the week. And yeah, man, it's pretty simple. I'm bearish on AC. Showed you guys the weekly. We had a nice downtrend, made some relatively equal lows, and then we've been pushing up, running previous sell side, buy side here. And then we had that price traded up. After trading up, we moved lower. Price ran the buy side here, and now we're moving lower, fell in the close above. And so now I think that price can now continue to move lower, right, and take out this higher time frame sell side liquidity and all these lower time frame sell side liquidities for the bearish trend to continue moving down. That's really pretty much it for the most part. I showed you guys like how did I see the market? Why did I see the market as such? Right, price moved up, boom, moved down, boom, ran low, made relatively equal lows, pushed up, fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame. Same thing for the weekly and the daily. And now that we've done that, ran the high, reversed, and then now we're looking for price to move lower, right? So just about as simple as that. I try to keep my trading to be simple for the most part. And I'll show you guys also real quick that I am actually in this trade like I always do. I did kind of hesitate on entry a little bit, so I'm in a little bit more heat. Right, I didn't pull. I did watch price come all the way up here, but I didn't pull as soon as it touched the gap because that's kind of how I want it. I want to enter as soon as it touched the gap. So I don't really like waiting for price to move higher. If I did wait, I could have got a better entry. I should have pulled right here instead of hesitating when I first saw it. But then when it started rejecting, I just got in. It touched it. It gave me what I wanted. And so I'm in a little heat. That's okay. It don't matter. It, it is what it is, right? That's why we have stop losses, right? If you can't take a little heat, then you might want to drop your size, your position size in the trade. So it's nothing wrong with a little heat. I probably wouldn't even have that little taste of heat if I would have just pulled right when I wanted to pull. I probably would have only been down $2 or whatnot. But I don't care about the heat. Yes, and I just want to show you guys. Yes, I'm in a little bit of heat right now, but it's nothing, right? As long as price don't hit my stop loss, price can do whatever it wants. That's why my stop loss set. So that's really just the basis of my trade. I keep you guys updated if we do win this trade or if we do sell it. End up losing the trade. I'll make a updated video and drop that as well. So will Aussie CAD continue to fall? We don't know, but we'll know by the end of by the next video, hopefully. But for the most part, man, if you like the video, it's been a while since I posted, so all the and mishaps or whatnot. Excuse me for that because it's been a minute, right? It's been a minute since I've been making videos, so excuse that. But if you like the video, leave a like, comment. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something from this video. And like I said, I'm going to continue to post these videos throughout the year. We're going to continue to show these trades, make these trades. I'm going to continue to record my process, continue to explain how I see the markets. And hopefully we have a great year and we can bring this account back. Like I said in the beginning, back in my other videos, that's the goal, bring this account back, get funded, etc. But we got to do it one trade at a time. So without further ado, man, that's it. It's your boy Tay Trades. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.